How to set a custom notification sound in settings. You didn't settle for a default ringtone. So why would you settle for a default notification tone? If you already have a text tone you like, I have about 10 I'll cycle through myself. You can add them to the notifications folder just as we added our custom ringtones to the ringtones folder. From there, the process should seem familiar by now. 1. Open Settings. 2. Tap Sound. This menu may be named differently depending on your phone, with possible names being Sound and Display, Personalization, etc. 3. Tap Default Notification Sound. 4. Select the custom notification sound you added to the notifications folder. 5. Tap Save or OK. If you do not see these options on your device, simply tap the back button to exit the sound picker. If your custom notification sound has been properly set, you will see its name underneath Default Notification Sound.